Classes at New Orleans public schools resume today. The first day back coming as more young COVID patients are ending up at the hospital.
Paul Dudley tells us why one doctor fears it will only get worse for the youngest victims of COVID-19.
At the Children's Hospital, there is an increase in the number of kids needing treatment for COVID-19. Roughly 10 days ago, there were just 2 patients. On Monday, there were 14, including 3 in the ICU. Dr. Mark Kline is predicting it will only get worse.
I'm expecting that over the next couple of weeks, we are going to see a substantial increase in the number of hospitalized children with COVID.
And it isn't just the hospital here that is backed up. According to doctors at Children's Hospital, they are also seeing a surge at their primary care facilities as well.
The number of patients we are seeing in our community settings right now, I would say are higher than they were during the Delta surge this past summer.
The increase in younger patients at Children's Hospital comes as classes resume at NOLA Public Schools. On Monday, the district announced guidelines for parents, including that masks be worn at all times on school grounds, indoors and outdoors, and that social distancing should be extended to 6 feet whenever possible. These changes come on the heels of the decision to have all students 5 and up vaccinated by February, a mandate that mirrors the requirement for kids to enter restaurants and other businesses in New Orleans.
As a school system, we know it's so important for our students to be vaccinated because we know that's how we continue to preserve in-person learning.
As school starts up again, all students and staff are also being encouraged to take a COVID-19 test to help track and prevent any community spread in schools.
Just like we did after Hurricane Ida, when we knew everybody had been with family and evacuated to other places and maybe not masking as well as they wanted to, we did reopening testing. We're doing the same thing as we re-enter the spring semester after the holiday break.
Dr. Kline applauds the school district for their rules, but he says he still has fears the Omicron variant will spread even quicker once classes get underway.
I don't think we've ever seen anything like Omicron in terms of its transmissibility, its ability to spread across the community. I do worry that having school resume sessions right now is really unfortunate timing.
A new year, but the same COVID concerns for the youngest among us. Paul Dudley, Eyewitness News.
And in addition to the hospital being busy, Dr. Kline also says well over half of the visits to the emergency room over the last week have been COVID-related illnesses.